За моей спиной первые 1000 километров на этом велосипеде. За камерой временно мой друг, а по совместительству веломеханик Александр Негрич. И что же это значит? А это значит, что сегодня мы разберем этот велосипед, помоем, почистим, смажем все узлы и соберем по новой, но с новыми колесами под бескамерку. Вы на канале GK Vision, меня зовут Генрих. Нет времени ждать, погнали!
In my hair, trick, quick talking, crip walk if you down with the set. Take a bullet with some grip and take the smoke on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you be relieving your stress. Da 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 da, it's the one and only Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg. Da 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 da, you know I'm mobbing with the D.O.E. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Da 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 da, it's the one and only Eagle Double G.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Swirl.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Hold up. Wait. For my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' rock until the wheels fall off. Hold up. Wait. For my niggas who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.
With the D.O.G.
Coming real, it's the next episode.
Swirl. Whoa. Oh yeah.
When I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days
when I was just a little nigga-ro, I looked up to my bigger bro, begged if I could kick it. So when he went out with girls, I could go tagging along, nagging. If she had a sis, maybe could mac a baby hood rat. Y'all remember way back then when it was 1985, all the way live. I think I was about 10. One of those happy little niggas singing the blues that be always trying trying to bag with the shag and karate shit. Saying, yo, mama black, his mama this, his mama that. Then he get mad and wanna scrap. We stay mad about 10 minutes, then it's like back on the bike to play hide and go get it with the younger hoes by the bungalows. Then switch to playing ding dong ditch when that gets old and too cold to hack it. Threw on a bomber jacket. You could tell the ballers cause they fell wearing gazelles. If they really had money raised, we sport knee K's. And all the girls had they Turkish link. If it broke, then they made earrings to it, like they meant to do it. But sometimes I still sit and reminisce, then think about the years I was raised. Back in the day.
Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid
And
again.
everybody
Back in the
say,
days when I was young, I'm not a kid
And
anymore.
everybody
But some
say,
days I sit and wish I was a kid
And
again.
everybody
Back in the
say,
days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid
I'm
again.
still back in the days, but now the year is 87, 88. That's when my crew and I were in junior high in 7th grade. I hated school.
Shit had blown up
No doubt I couldn't wait to get out.
and be a grown up.
But let me finish this, reminiscing and telling about when girls were spelling tight corduroys like for the boys, basket weaves, Nike Cortez and footsie socks, and eating pickles with Tootsie Pops, and it don't stop. I'm glad cause when JJ Fad did Supersonic, it was kinda like a sport to wear biker shorts or to wear jeans, and it seemed like the masses of hoochies had poison airbrushed on their asses. Dudes had on Nike suits and the Pumas with the fat laces, cause it was either that or K-Swiss. I miss those days, and so I pout like a grown jerk, wishing all I had to do now was finish homework. It's true, you don't realize really what you got till it's gone. And I'm not gonna sing another sad song, but sometimes I do sit and reminisce, then think about the years I was raised back in the day.
Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again. Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. But some days I sit and wish I was a kid again.
Вы что, слушаете Киркорова?
Нет, только Пугачеву. Я так пугаюсь, когда она поет. Такая тетка. Я прям себя Максимом чувствую. Палкин. Эй, был собак. Всегда готов. Трахнуть сразу несколько кротов. Сука, ты что снимаешь? Нет, ты снимаешь?
А куда ты уебал? Иди туда. Что-то делай.
Поливаю. Заебал, мы будем сегодня